Go through the procedure how to set up individual mode in Porsche 911 992. We're going to go into the PCM screen here, and I'm going to go into the car. When we go into the car, you will see all the drive modes, and of course right now I have my start stop off and sport exhaust on. Of course you can do it with the button here as well. However, when I put in the individual, it's not set up yet. When you put it in, everything changes, and now you'll be able to select sport, you'll be able to select exhaust, you'll be able to select all your functions. And then what you want to do to program this is you have to push and hold, and you have configuration saved. So just like that, and you'll be able to change on your dial very easily. It's not concentrating here. So very quick and very useful.